Have you ever had a gut feeling that turned out to be right? That's not just intuition, it's biology. Your gut and brain are connected in ways that scientists are only beginning to fully understand. In fact, your gut is often called your second brain, and unlocking that connection could change how you think about your mood, your focus, and your long-term health. You're watching Inside Human Health, where we break down the science behind how your body works and how to use it to live smarter and longer. If you're into facts that change lives, hit subscribe. Let's talk about your gut. It's home to trillions of microbes, more than all the human cells in your body. This microscopic ecosystem is called the gut microbiome, and it's not just helping you digest food, it's shaping your brain. These microbes produce powerful chemicals, including serotonin, dopamine, and GABA. Those aren't just buzzwords, they're neurotransmitters that affect your mood, your memory, and how you respond to stress. Over 90% of your body's serotonin, the feel-good chemical, is made in the gut, not the brain, and it travels through a major superhighway called the vagus nerve, directly linking your gut to your brain. When your gut is healthy, it keeps your brain balanced. But when it's out of sync, a condition called dysbiosis, your brain can feel the impact, brain fog, anxiety, depression, and even chronic fatigue. In 2025, researchers confirmed gut health plays a role in not just digestion, but mental clarity, immune strength, and inflammation. Doctors are even using targeted gut therapies like probiotics and fiber-based diets to treat mood disorders. So, what throws your gut out of balance in the first place? And what can you eat or avoid to rebuild a healthy microbiome? So, what throws your gut out of balance? One of the biggest culprits is diet. Highly processed foods, artificial sweeteners, excess sugar, and ultra-refined carbs damage your gut microbiome. These foods reduce microbial diversity, feed harmful bacteria, and weaken the gut lining. Antibiotics, while sometimes essential, can wipe out entire populations of beneficial bacteria. Just one course can shift your gut health for months. Frequent antibiotic use is strongly linked to long-term dysbiosis. Stress is another major factor. Chronic stress alters how your gut functions, slows digestion, reduces blood flow, raises inflammation. Over time, this contributes to irritable bowel symptoms and weakens your immune system. Poor sleep also disrupts gut health. Your microbiome follows its own circadian rhythm, and when your sleep is irregular, digestion, immunity, and mental clarity all take a hit. So, how do you rebuild? Start with food. Your gut thrives on fiber, especially prebiotic fiber from plants. Leafy greens, beans, lentils, garlic, onions, oats, bananas, and apples help good bacteria grow and maintain gut-brain balance. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, miso, and tempeh reintroduce beneficial microbes and support digestion. These are natural probiotics that restore balance. Another key is variety. The more types of whole, plant-based foods you eat, fruits, vegetables, herbs, grains, the more microbial species you support. A diverse gut microbiome is stronger, more stable, and more resilient to disease. But it's not just about food. Movement helps stimulate digestion, reduce gut inflammation, and support microbial balance. A daily walk can make a real difference. Prioritize rest. Get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep and aim for a regular bedtime. Recent research shows eating too close to bedtime disrupts gut repair, so stop eating a few hours before sleep and manage your stress. Deep breathing, mindfulness, connection, even time in nature all send positive signals through the vagus nerve, improving gut function and calming your nervous system. Scientists are now studying psychobiotics, probiotics, and prebiotics that not only aid digestion but also improve mood, memory, and emotional resilience. It's a whole new frontier of mental health care, starting with your gut. Your gut isn't just about food. It's about how you feel, think, heal, and function. Protect it, nourish it, and pay attention to it because your second brain may be the key to healing your first one. If this helped you see your body in a new way, like the video and subscribe to Inside Human Health. We break down the science of your body, one system at a time.